Pile bucks play a critical role in ensuring that structures are safely anchored to the ground or underwater. For a pile buck apprentice, learning the trade requires a combination of technical skill, safety awareness, and hands-on experience. But before we begin, we want to quickly thank our sponsor who helped make this video possible, ECA, Equipment Corporation of America. Since 1918, the go-to provider for heavy construction equipment, furnishing contractors with the most advanced and reliable foundation equipment in the world. Now back to the video. Here's the top things every pile buck apprentice must know to succeed in this challenging and rewarding field. 1. A basic understanding of pile driving equipment. A pile buck apprentice must quickly become familiar with the variety of equipment used on the job. Pile drivers, hammers, cranes, and other heavy machinery are at the core of the work. Knowing how to operate and maintain this equipment safely is essential. Apprentices should learn the mechanics of pile driving rigs and how to troubleshoot common mechanical issues, such as misaligned piles or equipment malfunctions. 2. Knowledge of different pile types. There are various types of piles depending on the project, including steel, concrete, and timber piles. An apprentice must understand the differences between them, how they're installed, and their applications. Steel piles, for instance, may be driven deeper and are often used in marine construction, while timber piles might be used for lighter loads or more temporary installations. 3. Reading and interpreting blueprints. Pile driving is a precise task that requires a deep understanding of construction plans and blueprints. As an apprentice, being able to read these documents is crucial. You'll need to interpret diagrams that show where piles should be driven, the required depth, and the positioning relative to the overall structure. The skill will also help you collaborate with engineers and foremen on the job site. 4. Safety first, understanding job site protocols. Of course, safety is a priority in pile driving, given the hazardous nature of the work environment. As a pile buck apprentice, you must learn and follow job site safety protocols, which include wearing the appropriate personal protective equipment or PPE, operating machinery safely, and being aware of potential risks like heavy lifting or working near water. Understanding OSHA regulations and how they apply to pile driving operations is equally important. 5. Pile alignment and driving techniques. Proper pile alignment is key to ensuring that the foundation is strong and reliable. Apprentices must learn how to properly align piles before driving them into the ground using techniques like survey tools and visual aids. Knowing how to avoid mistakes such as pile refusal or misalignment will ensure that the piles are driven securely and in the right position. 6. Marine construction considerations. For pile bucks working in marine environments, apprentices must grasp the added complexities of working underwater or near water. This includes understanding the effect of tidal changes, soil conditions, and how to properly set up floating equipment or barge-mounted rigs. Marine construction also comes with its own set of safety risks, such as working near or in water that an apprentice must be prepared for. 7. Teamwork and communication. Pile driving is not a solo job. Successful pile buck apprentices know how to work as part of a team. From rig operators to engineers, communication between team members is essential to ensure the job is done efficiently and safely. Apprentices must develop strong communication habits, including how to give and receive instructions clearly and how to respond to issues as they arise on the job. 8. Soil and ground conditions. Understanding the types of soil and ground conditions encountered on different job sites is critical. Apprentices must learn how different soil types affect pile driving and how to modify techniques to suit conditions such as hard rock, soft clay, or sandy soils. They should also be aware of the importance of soil testing and how it guides the pile driving process. 9. Learning from experienced pile bucks. One of the most important aspects of being an apprentice is learning from those who have already mastered the trade. Apprentices should be open to receiving feedback and guidance from seasoned pile bucks who can offer valuable insight into the finer points of the work. Being willing to learn and adapt is key to growing in this trade. 10. Staying up to date with technology and techniques. Pile driving, like many construction trades, is evolving with new technologies and methods. As an apprentice, it's essential to stay informed about these developments. Whether it's learning about newer pile materials, advancements in pile driving hammers, or updated safety protocols, keeping up with the latest industry standards will make you a more valuable asset to any construction team. Have something to add? Make sure you comment below. Again, we'd like to thank our sponsor, ECA. Visit ecanet.com or call 800-PILE-USA to view their impressive lineup of drilling and pile driving rigs and other deep foundations equipment.